We're gonna check out output amplifiers of HP4275A to make sure that the waveform from test ports is without distortion and has correct amplitude. The frequency is almost always correct, but we're gonna check it out anyway. So we start at 10 kilohertz and then we increase the frequency more all the way to 10 gigahertz. You can see there is no distortion at any frequency. That means attenuators are in good working order, and the amplitude we can really crank it up to a maximum of 4 volts peak to peak. Okay, and there's no distortion at 10 megahertz test frequency. Also, all the buttons are in good working order. They all bounce back. Remember that these buttons are impossible to fix. If they don't bounce back, they will be stuck and you won't be able to operate because of one button not going back, opening contact. You won't be able to operate all the other buttons. Okay, so everything checks out. Please look at the pictures. It's in great condition, no corrosion. So this meter will last you a very long time.